Dear students, welcome to the module 3 contents of industrial robotics. So in this industrial robotics, you are going to know about what is a robot, what is its anatomy, how do you control a robot, what is end effector, what are the sensors used in the robot, industrial application of the robot, what is robot accuracy and repeatability, different types of robotic systems available, various generations of robot, what is degrees made of, and Asimov's laws of robotic and dynamic stabilization. So a robot is defined as a reprogrammable multi-purpose manipulator programmable in 3 or more axes. It may be either fixed in place or mobile for use in industrial automation application. Further, it is defined as a machine possessing certain anthropomorphic characteristics, the most obvious of which is its mechanical arm. Other human characteristics are the robotics capabilities to respond sensory inputs, communicate with other machines, and make decisions. Development of robotic technology followed by development of numerical control and two technologies are quite similar. So they involve different joints used in the robot, digital computers as controller, NC control machines as designed to perform specific processes. So here the history of the robots, if you take here, Czechoslovakian play title Rozum's Universal Robots written by Karel Capek in the early 1920s. So the robotic word came from the word robota, means forced worker. In English translation converted to robot. So Cape's play was pure science fiction. The brief history, which include two real inventors which made original contribution to the technology of industrial robotics. Cyril Kenward, Sylvia W. Kenward, a British inventor, device manipulator that moved in XYZ system, axis system. Kenward applied for a British patents for his robotic device and the patent was issued. Second inventor was an American named George C. DeWolf, credited with two inventions related to robotics. The first was a device for magnetically recording, and robots were controlled by computers and therefore connected to computer system to achieve computer integrated manufacturing. So robot anatomy and related attributes. So arm or manipulator of industrial robot consists of series of joints and links. Robot joints or axis it is also called robotics, similar to the joints in human being. Most robots are mounted on a stationary base on the floor. So the numbering is given first joint to referred as link 0. Input link to joint 1 is 1. So first in the series used in the construction of robot, the output of the joint 1 is link 1. Link 1 is input to joint 2. Like this in the series it is extended. All industrial robots have mechanical joint that can be classified into 5 types. So here it is provided in details. Here you can see first one it is a joint motion. In the joint motion, for the input, what are the output you give, it is linear. In the second one, you can see that is orthogonal type. So for joint motion, for the input link in the horizontal motion, in the output link it will be in the vertical motion. And the third is it is the rotational joint. Here you can see for the input link, at the output you can expect the motion to be present. That is, here it is a rotational or R joint type of motion. Fourth it is a distinct type of joint. So for the input and between the input and output there will be a joint motion. And the last one, it is a revolving joint. So you can give revolution at the joint so that advancement of the joint it is going to happen. So like this, different type of robotic configurations are available.